swarm of bees over here. That's like kind of super scary if you just drive and then suddenly you crash into a swarm of these small bees, and they can still bite. I never really got bitten by any, but now they can bite. Every bee can bite. I just decided to go for a ride today, a little bit again, just a joyride around my area, and I decided to take camera with me. It's also Ramadan today, and it's not Ramadan, it's actually Eid. This is like last day of Ramadan that all the Muslim people can eat during the day. And where I stay is like a Muslim area, so I see it's very eventful in every house. A lot of family members are coming to have lunch together and things like that. So it's kind of good atmosphere today in the village where I live. But as you can see, it's like extremely quiet. I mean, on the roads there are not many cars or people or anything, because it's still kind of restricted to come to Phuket, and at the moment nobody's traveling to here. Most of hotels closed, and also most of the restaurants and businesses closed, because they're not allowed to open. But I really like it like that. It was always way too busy for me in Phuket with all these tourists. For some people it might be too quiet now because it's so quiet, but not for me. I really like to be like that quiet and not many people around. It's just the way I am. So for me it's kind of perfect. And also they have some new rule in Phuket that you cannot drink or eat together with your friend anymore, nowhere. Not on the beach, or you cannot invite anyone to your house. See all the bars, red light district closed. And to finish my story from before, you're not allowed to socialize with people anymore, but you're still allowed to be on your own, and I'm kind of perfectly prepared for this situation, because I'm kind of really happy to just be on my own, and I really don't have too many problems with being alone like some people, so this rule doesn't hurt me at all. I still have friends that I hang out together every day. Maybe it's just going to hurt them more than me. So here I am on the beach. Beautiful sea today, very calm water. Yeah, I'm just kind of paranoid that maybe this is not recording, so I will just check quickly. Yeah, it's recording well. Because sometimes I made so many videos like that the camera was actually not recording, and it never existed. I could also check the angle again. of the camera, but that's a bit of hassle again, then I have to. So I hope it's good angle this time, like last time. Yeah, very nice beach. There is Amanpuri Hotel, straight there. One of the most luxurious and expensive hotels in Phuket. This used to be Siam Beach Club and it's closed at the moment. So yeah, that's very nice sea. Not many waves. I might just go for a swim later, I will see. Yeah, all the boats are parked over here today because of this Eid holiday, Muslim holiday, and everyone just stay at home. As I said before, most of these fishermen are Muslim from this village, and they are not working today because it's their holiday. Excuse me. Blue Siam Beach Club. Very nice club. A little bit overpriced, maybe, like so many other things before here when it was normal season, and it worked very good for people to come for like 1 week holidays, 2 weeks holidays, and then you don't really care how much you pay for things, but otherwise everything was like 3-4 times more expensive than it should be, and then if you live here eventually you might have enough of paying double, triple price for everyday things. What makes it even more quiet today is this Muslim holiday Eid, because as I said, most of the people in this area are Muslim, so this is why they don't drive around or hang out, they just stay home. So this is why I'm like one of the only people on these roads. I have to go to buy ice later, but maybe the ice shop is also closed. Maybe not many people are buying ice today, or the owner did not want to make ice today because it's his holiday as well. Very nice palm trees, I really like it here. This coconut plantation over here is very beautiful, I think. About. Very nice coconut plantation. It's just like very tropical and exotic thing for me. If you find this my video too long for whatever reason, you can just fast forward. Or if you're watching this video for the first time, I would also really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. I want to have 1000 subscribers, so I can then monetize this channel and I will maybe have more motivation to do things in the future. Because also now I would make more these videos, but it's not about that I would like to make money of that or anything like that, but just I don't have a niche, the topic about my channel too much. It's just about my everyday life, so it's just like a vlog. So actually this channel, the main reason what I'm thinking about is just to have a nice memories in the future with these videos, and then maybe if you just find me on YouTube or something like that, maybe you can also enjoy these videos over here that I'm making. But yeah, I would still like to have 1,000 subscribers so I can just monetize it like every other channel. Why not, you know? So yeah, subscribe if you can, I would really appreciate it. Look how beautiful the sea is today on Surrey Beach. Actually, I also have my swimming suit with me today, and I have my towel with me, so I could totally go to swim, and maybe this is exactly what I'm gonna do. Actually not, I'm not really hot or something, I don't know. Thai tourists, they have their off, as I said. It is very nice, very peaceful. You just come and rest. But for me, why I don't come more on the beach and just stay here all day, because it's like over 30 degrees all the time, maybe it's 38 degrees Celsius, and I don't know, you get more tired when it's so hot. Also swimming, like I could go to swim now, but I have to change to a swimming suit, and then I'm gonna be all wet and salty, and I have to change back from swimming suit if I don't want my shorts to get wet. So it's kind of a hassle to make it happen. This is why I don't just go inside the water. I always been looking for shorts that I could swim with them as well, but I cannot find the ones that I could also have pockets for my wallet and stuff. Nice is here. Behind me. I don't know why he wants to have so loud bike. What's the purpose of it? The Surrey Beach is really nice, especially today. I must say that I also feel that there is definitely some festive atmosphere at the moment because of this Ramadan. So happening around the mosques. I'm sure there must be some celebrations going on or something like that. small shops everywhere. But as I said, I never went to any of these shops because they were unnecessary. So I'm sorry for the people who had their dreams to build their business over here, but that's about it. I don't miss any of these shops. You see, it can be super safe, as I always say, driving in Thailand with motorbike. I go very slowly, let everyone go first. I also keep my fingers on both brakes all the time, so I can stop very quickly, easily, so that's one thing. That makes all this safe. Everything is closed because people have day off. New car wash, I didn't know about this car wash. There is 20 baht shop. Everything costs only 20 baht. Let's see if my ice shop is open. It's actually open. I will just come back later. It's not far away from where I stay, so I can just go later to buy ice. I still feel like continue with my joyride, and then if I buy ice, I have to go straight back home because the ice is melting, obviously. Also, Ramadan market is finished. There's nobody in the mosque, so my assumption was wrong that they have some celebrations today in the mosque. Obviously, they don't because it's finished. I mean, the Ramadan is finished. People seem to be very busy, have a lot to do. I mean, not busy with their business, but just probably visiting their family and friends. And every single shop is closed. That's it. Okay. Maybe I will just drive inside here a little bit. Always when I try to cross the road, I never do it, like to go into the middle of the street and then cross the road if there is traffic, but I always just wait on the sides until it's completely empty, and then I just cross in a similar way like pedestrian would do. That's one thing. My moment is here. Yeah, that's amazing. No matter how busy it is, at the end there is always empty on both sides, so just have to wait. Here is market area, it's market here like most of the days. I don't drive often to here because it's just like a residential area, but today I'm just interested what people are doing. There is no one anywhere, so maybe there is something going on here. Everything is completely empty. Where did all these people go? This part of the village that is up the hill, and they have apartments for rent here, like you can see. Maybe nice to live here because you live between local people, and this is my favorite way. I would definitely choose to be like that. I think I went up here before, and going anywhere this road. I think I found out this before. Or maybe not here. Tea shop. Maybe I will come for my tea here next time. I'm pretty sure I will. Alright, here is the road that is not going anywhere. I went left here last time already, and then it's just like people houses, so I have to go once with my Thai friend to show me the way. Otherwise I feel like not the best, because maybe it's just some people's private land, and I don't want to get into their house. Even they would welcome me because I'm foreigner. Here is the mosque, the back entrance of the mosque. I think this is pretty much what I wanted to see today. So, a good opportunity. I can just go and buy some ice and go home slowly. I will take you for another ride in the future. There are still many things to see on the way, so this video is not ending like very soon. But it's a very bad day if you need something, because every single shop is closed. So hopefully they have some ice. It looks like they do before. I don't know. very nice ladies for festive occasion today. They have their special clothes for today. Here is the ice shop. Hello. You have ice? Can have two. Hello. Can I have two ice?
2 ice.
Yeah.
Big.
Big. Yeah.
รถใหญ่มีไหมพี่ Moment please.
I can take.
One more.
Yeah. Thank you.
One.
Two.
Small.
Okay.
โอเคลองเล็กด้วยก็ได้พี่50 บาท
Okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry. Thank you. See you. So I got my ice, so I can just make any drinks now at home easily. I really got into a habit making my own drinks like iced tea, because before I was always buying like soft drinks, and I got, I think, a lot of fat because of it's so much sugar in these drinks, and I must say now I can see some drastic changes here. That was kind of scary. Somebody almost, I'm sure they didn't almost crash, but I just didn't see them. Interesting, there is nobody anywhere. I really wonder where everyone left, because all the houses are empty, there is no people outside. I think they have some relatives around Phuket and we went to visit them. Yeah, this is the answer. That makes this village completely kind of deserted today. Is it. Thank you for watching until the end. I really do appreciate that, and I will see you in another video.